Let's run through setting the time on a G Shock DW-6900CS. To enter our time setting mode, we're simply going to press our adjust button, and we'll see our seconds start flashing. Now using our start stop, which is our forward button, we can zero our seconds. To enter the next setting, we're going to press mode, which will allow us to adjust our hour. It's currently 4 p.m. where I live. Mode again will bring us to our minute. 4:06. Unfortunately, we can't go backwards, so we're going to have to go all the way and restart. Mode again will bring us to our year, 2025. Mode again will bring us to our month, April. And mode once more will bring us to our day, the 20th. Once we're all done with that, we simply press adjust once more, and now our time is set. Thank you guys for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Take care.